at Mountain Gardens in late August, and the Achyranthes has been in bloom for a little while. That's this herb right here, Achyranthes bidentata. It's a pretty well-known Chinese herb called niushi, and there are two different kinds of niushi. This particular one is Huai niushi because it comes from the Huai River area of China. And then momentarily we'll look at the other one, Chuan niushi. So this is in the category of regulate the blood, and this invigorates blood, breaks blood stagnation, gets blood moving. So it addresses a number of painful conditions, because in Chinese medicine all pain is due to stagnation of something. Usually either blood or qi is not moving, and that's when you get pain. So this is used for unblocking menstruation. So it addresses various menstrual problems associated with blood stagnation. That's in its untreated form. It directs blood downwards, cools the blood. And then in its treated form, and it can be treated by dry frying or soaking it in brine or wine and then frying that. We say frying, just heating it in a wok to dry it back out. In the prepared form, it tonifies the liver and kidneys and benefits the joints, especially the lower extremities. So the herb means, niushi means ox knee, and it has little sort of joints. So you can see these bumps where the leaves come together, and those are thought to be reminiscent of knees. So that's sort of suggestive. The herb actually is thought to direct the energy of other herbs to the lower extremities and the knees especially. So it can take the other herbs there, and it also addresses problems with knees and lower extremities, particularly pain in such areas. So and tonifies liver and kidneys. So especially lower back and knee pain and stiffness, and that would be more the treated form. But there are a number of issues where you want to tonify the liver and kidneys for sure. The liver is associated with the eyes, the kidneys with the hearing, all those kind of issues. This is in the same family as amaranth. It's quite easy to grow from seed, and this one has also gotten quite weedy in this garden. So a word, if you want to grow this, keep an eye on it. Don't let too much of it go to seed. You might want to just cut it back at the time when it's starting to make its little seeds. The flowers are insignificant. They just look green. You can get this tall. The roots go straight down, and they can go very deep, especially in a sandy soil. They can be very lengthy and very straight. This is what they look like when we get them in the herb shop. You can see sections of the root. And that's pretty much what they look like when we dig them up, too. So, niushi. Regulate and invigorate blood. Unprepared form breaks up blood stasis, unblocks menstruation, guides the blood to descend, directs fire downward. Prepared form tonifies the liver and kidneys, strengthens the sinews and bones. Contraindicated during pregnancy or in those with excessive menstruation. That's Achyranthes. It's somewhat of a weed in the southeast, actually, already. Keep an eye on it. So now we want to go and look at the other niushi, which is called Chuan niushi. They're used more or less interchangeably. Let's go see that one.